Everyone, now let us try to see how to drive Ola S1 Air in sports mode. And now I am increasing the acceleration. Okay, so now we can see the brake control. So you can see now the vehicle is in parking mode. So now if you throttle it also, it will not accelerate. If you apply both also, it will not accelerate. The way to turn it is you should hold the brake and you have to give the power button. Okay, automatically. Defaultly, if you turn on, it will be in normal mode. Okay, so now let us try to change the mode. To change the mode, we have the touch button here. So just hold the button once, automatically it will go to sports mode. In sports mode we have highest power. Now how to start the vehicle is you have to leave this brake and slowly throttle. Now let's try to have a drive and let's try to see the braking. So you can see here the power delivered by this 4.5 kilowatt hour battery is too high. Okay, and this has a 3 kilowatt hour battery and speed of this vehicle has 4.5 kilowatt rated motor. That's why it is able to have the highest speed. Here you can see here the speed of this vehicle. Okay, so it is dangerously giving the required speed of around 40 kilometers per hour. That's what the advantage of this sports mode. So complete review we will upload in another video. You can see all about this vehicle. Thank you for watching.